Welcome back to another episode of my exterior home projects. As you can see, this area can use a little razzle dazzle, so we decided to upgrade it with some lighting. So stay tuned as we show you the installation and the final look. So let's go ahead and unbox the items that we are going to get installed. First item we have here is the low voltage landscape transformer. Comes with your instructions. It is very lightweight, durable, and it has all the functions here on the front. Has the power cord. So that is a transformer that you're going to need. We have some low voltage wiring, indoor, outdoor. And let's get into the beautiful lighting. This is the package that it comes in. We are going to install 6 of them. And the one that we chose was the Brass Path Light G4, the LD finish. And what will come in the package you're going to have the beautiful brass hood that goes on the top of the light. Very nice, sturdy, quality brass. That's what it looks like underneath. Then you're going to have the pole that the light fixture sits on top of, like so. And you guys, the quality on here is excellent. This is nowhere near cheap. This is a very good quality material. Then you get your LED bulb, which is nice because LEDs last a very long time. So you have your LED bulb, and then you get the stake that the fixture will sit into the ground. So these just pound into the ground, you screw it in, and then you're going to have your hole there and then your top. So we are going to get this installed and we're going to show the final product on there. The aesthetic is going to be so beautiful. And thank you again, Gardenreet, for sending over these and letting us show off your product. All right, bye. As you can see, these lights have elevated the aesthetic along the side of the house and provided that elegant touch that was needed. I will have a link below if you are looking to spruce up your outdoor area with new lighting. Thanks again to Gardenreet.